Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change lock screen wallpaper in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings. Then go to wallpaper and style and click on wallpaper. And here select any wallpaper. These are only system wallpaper. Just select any one. Here I would like to select this wallpaper. I would like to select this wallpaper. Okay, and click on apply. Click on apply, and it will ask you to select which screen. Okay, so select lock screen because you are going to change lock screen wallpaper. Yes, now lock screen wallpaper has been changed to what I have selected. See here. Okay, suppose if you would like to set a photo as a wallpaper for lock screen, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is again go to the same settings, then go to wallpaper and style and click on wallpapers, and here select album and select a photo from your local gallery and click on apply and select the screen. I have selected lock screen and it is setting up. Just wait and lock your screen now, and see here lock screen wallpaper has been changed to what I have selected. Okay, so in this way you can easily change lock screen wallpaper in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.